know how to draw a cat? It's so simple. Follow me till end to draw it together. First, draw a circle. Now draw ears and ribbon. It's time to draw eyes and nose. Draw mustaches. Draw legs and tail. Bravo! It's done! It's time to fill colors. Fill color in eyes and nose. Now fill yellow color in face. Fantastic work! It's a cute kitty. Fill orange color in ears. Fill red color in ribbon. Fill yellow color. Finally, fill orange color in tail. Wow, it's done! Like and subscribe for more interesting drawings.